It's Monday again, so welcome back to Alleviated.
My name is Lee.
And I'm Bree.
Today we're going to do a little riff on the whiskey smash with our 4-year-old rum. We're calling it, I don't know what we're calling it, but a little play on the 4-year smash for you coming right up.
Let's get Alleviated. That's how you make we're gonna call this 4-year smash. It's a great drink. It's giving off like the mojito vibes. We kind of called it like a bourbon mojito. I almost taste like sweet tea flavors because of the lemon and the mint. So why don't you tell us about this drink?
Yeah, so 4-year smash, obviously a play on the classic drink, the whiskey smash, which is basically a lemon mojito with bourbon, which is awesome. So of course, we use the virgin American white oak barrels to age all of our barrel-aged stuff in our 4-year. I always tell people it's basically bourbon, just way easier to drink. You get all the same like oaky, vanilla-y notes that come along with that, with the easy to drinkness of the rum itself. And that, adding some mint and lemon to it and that touch of sugar is just absolutely perfect. It almost tastes like lemonade and mint with a touch of rum. It is. I said this in the last video that the last drink was probably our new favorite drink, but for me, this might take it.
Yeah, I really like this one. It's super light to drink, but it's not too sweet where you're like dying from sweetness.
Exactly.
It's not too bitter, but the lemon adds that touch of bitterness, which is really nice.
Yeah, especially when you squeeze and drop the lemon wedges in there. You're kind of pulverizing it, sort of muddling it while you're shaking it. That's gonna get some of the oils out of the peel that's in there. So that's why I love doing that.
Yeah, I love this drink. And definitely garnish it with the mint because you get that smell as you're sipping the drink, which is awesome. But to check out the cocktail recipe for this drink, check out the description down below. Or check out our website where all the videos for all of our different cocktails are also on our website. But yeah, the website is great for lots of information about Muddy River Distillery, about events that we have putting on here, like cocktail dinners and classes. Lee does an amazing job with those. Or even just our renovation stuff, which we got going on. The products we sell, it's awesome. So stay tuned for the next week's video, but we will see you next time.
See ya.
Cheers.
Cheers.